What up? I'm going to teach you how to fix your sound on the Mednafen emulator for Linux. Alright, first what I'm going to do is show you what it looks like when you first download the emulator. So if I run a game, as you can see, there's no sound right now. And if you look at what sound device we're using, it's this one right here. Now, if you go to the website, this is a common problem, no sound output on Linux. And they say what you need to do is to change the sound device to this one right here, sexyal-literal-default. Okay, so cool. And doing that's really easy. So just open up your file manager, make sure you're in your home directory, and make sure you can see hidden files. Go to the Mednafen file, and you should see the configuration file. You just need to open that in a text editor. You should have a good one just by default. Alright, so you can do Control F to find, and what we're looking for is sound dot device. Alright, so sound device. So right now it's at the default right now. We want to change it to that one. So I'll paste it in, and we're done. Now you just need to save the file, and now we'll test it out.